Disclosures at. Hey everyone, this is real estate consultant and agent Josh Pagan. Today we're going to be going over the numbers it would take to purchase a home in Gladywne in the suburbs of Philadelphia. Gladywne is one of those neighborhoods that's highly connected yet private at the same time. There's no big commercial corridor, but it's close to everything. There's a lot of land and very big and expensive houses, but you're pretty much in your private owned little area. There's a lot of give and take when it comes to some neighborhoods like this. So as you can see right here, 1134 Maple Crest Circle. So this one just recently sold for $582,500. It's 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It's on about a quarter of an acre, 1820 square feet. And if we look at the map, like the commercial district of Gladywne right over here, you have the country clubs all over here, right? So we have the country club right here. We have some nature parks over here. We have the Schuylkill River and 76 right here, which is the main throughway to get you to the city. And you can see how tucked away it is. You can see all the green space here compared to Philadelphia. When you live out in Gladywne, a lot of people are looking for the privacy. Let's go ahead and look at this by the numbers. We know it was purchased for $582,500. Plug that right here into our calculator. Our interest rate for this example, we're going to assume that it's a home buyer. Home buyer interest rates right now are a little bit lower than investment interest rates. So we've been using 3.25. So we'll go ahead and just keep going with that. Down payment on this, let's go with the 20%. Right here was what we'll plug in our taxes, which is $7,877. We don't have a condo fee on this one. We don't have private mortgage insurance on this one because we're paying above the threshold. And our insurance, we're just going to take a guesstimate and say $100. We can't guarantee insurance, but we're going to go ahead and just go with this one. All in for this property, you're looking at about $27.84 per month. And the amount of money it takes to get into this property we'll look at right now. So our total in, $116,500 for the down payment. We have a 2% transfer tax in Montgomery County split by the buyer and seller. That leaves us with 1%, which you'll see right here. And title fee is about 1.5 of what we've been using. Now again, we can't guarantee those, but we'll go with that for the example. Total out-of-pocket money would be about $131,000. And you can see the breakdown right here. So to get this house in Lower Merion, it would be about $130,000, and your monthly payment would be around $2,800. Thanks again for taking the time to watch this video. I hope it was informative and you learned something from it. If you guys have any recommendations or things that you'd like for me to analyze, feel free to leave them in the comments or send me an email. My email will be in the description. If you like the content, feel free to subscribe and make sure you don't miss any of our videos. Hit the notification bell. See you guys next time.